Understanding Kim and Northwest's relationship by using the moon chart and the North Node or Rahu.
By the way, North, you need to have some, loyalty. When mommy talks about people, you cannot tell them. Why would you tell Angie Kendall I hated her outfit?
Good question. Can your mom cook?
Good already.
Heck no. Someone is late.
Is really special and smart and creative. A little cross-hatching. And definitely beats to her own drum. Like, her personality is really, really silly.
Ew, this cucumber nasty.
I go like,
Should we call the chef in?
No, we're doing this on our own.
I'm gonna stick to what I know.
You think that's sanitary?
Courtney always says North is my lesson on this planet.
What does that mean? She's your lesson.
It means that I'm supposed to learn even more patience. She teaches me patience. She has taught me a lot about life.
Come here.
Understanding Kim Kardashian's relationship with Northwest using Rahu and the moon chart. Look, peep this. A lot of people are wondering why Northwest acts the way that she does. This is why I love the moon chart. It's like a second additional birth chart that actually works.
People say things like, why does North act like that? Or North is so rude. Well, it's because Kim Kardashian has Rahu in her 5th house of the moon chart. Rahu there can cause a myriad of things like Kim having an unconventional relationship with her children. Unconventional in a bad way though. Rahu shows who snakes us, lies to us, lie on our name and cheats us. This happens because Rahu is represented by a snake. Her children may not have her best interest at heart. Her children will most certainly lie a lot to her and about her, that's for sure.
Rahu is like the smear campaign. Me personally, when I read someone's chart, I'll straight up tell them that their children will act weird and unusual, but in a bad way. See, there are 2 types of unconventionality that I know of. The rebellious type and the evolutionary. Really, what Rahu brings is Aquarius, but the more rebellious criminal type of side. I'm not saying wherever Rahu is placed will make someone a criminal.
Please don't get that misconstrued. Rahu being in Cancer can show Kim's children even as adults being very emotional. Furthermore, it can show and takes care of her children in ways most mothers don't. Some people like to say the 5th house represents the first child. Well, if that's the case, then this Rahu placement puts much emphasis on describing Northwest.
Rahu in the 5th house was the reason why Kim had children through unusual ways like surrogacy. That's how you know the moon chart for sure works.
My understanding about the 5th house has increased drastically, so if you want me to read your birth chart, then check out my Tumblr page for prices and how to go about it. You can message me on any app.